Yo, island style. See the cooking gone island wide. Bling her up. Island style, yeah, the bush pot settings. Everything there, I talent stew chicken. Island style, yeah, real finger licking. You don't hear say it better than KFC chicken. Island style, what you cooking? Smell it from a mile now, everybody looking. Vegetables straight from the farm.
What's up, my people? Wagwan. What's good? It's the same meaning. Yeah, man. Welcome back to Island Style Kitchen. Yeah, man. And if you're new to my channel, welcome to Island Style Kitchen. Today, I am going to show you guys how to cook cow foot and beans. Yeah, man. We are cook cow foot and beans with some reggae rice. Alright. So what I'm going to do now, I am going to wash the cow foot. I am going to season it and prepare all of my seasoning. When I am about to put the food in the pot, I'll come back and talk to you again. Yes, people, so right here you can see me have a scotch bonnet pepper on my tray. I'm gonna pick off 2 scotch bonnet now. And alright. So right now I'm going to my garden to look some scallion. Yeah, man, because we're not buying a scallion, you know. Plant the own scallion on the back of the yard. So if you look, if you go back and watch it, I think it's a jerk sauce video. I have the instructions and they're showing you guys how to grow your own scallion. So you see it? You get some fresh scallion out of my garden. This is going in my rice and on my cow food. Alright, so we'll go back inside now and go season up the pot. Okay, so these are the ingredients that you're going to need to make this cow foot and bean and reggae rice. Alright? Over here I have my cow foot. I have some scallion. I have some bell peppers or sweet pepper. We have red, green and gold. Rasta vibration, same way. I have 2 ripe peppers that I took out of my fridge. And these 2, you saw me pick them earlier. I have some thyme. I have some garlic. And I have 2 carrots that I'm going to put in the cow foot. I also have some peas and carrot here. These are, I think they're sweet peas. And I also have some pigeon peas. I have some basmati rice, I have some butter bean, I have a coconut. I'm going to juice the coconut to make the milk to cook my rice. Right here, this is island style mix seasoning, my own mix seasoning. I have some sea salt, I have some turmeric. You might see the white rum buckling at the back, people. Don't worry about the white rum not going in the pot. You never know, I might put a little bit in it and get creative. Alright, so just stay tuned, I'm going to wash the meat. Throw on some vinegar upon it, yes people. Caribbean people, I say it before in my video, we love to wash with meat. So wash the meat with vinegar and we use some lime. Yeah man, lime juice to take with the rawness from it. Enough people say we wash the meat and them go crazy about it, but Caribbean people, as Jamaican people, we love to wash with meat. Alright people, so right now I'm going to season up my cow foot. Yeah man. So right now first thing I'm going with is some black pepper. Yeah man, I'm throwing a little black pepper on my cow foot. Then I'm going to throw on some Maggi complete seasoning for my cow foot. Alright, now we do have a major seasoning with a season up meat, you know. And then I'm going with little of my island style mix seasoning. One island style mix seasoning. Yeah man, season up the pot nice, you know. And then I'm going to put a pinch of salt on it. A pinch of sea salt. You don't want too much because them seasoning salt already. So we're throwing the cayenne pepper, you know, because cayenne pepper good for you. And cayenne pepper give food great flavor. Right now I'm going to cut up some garlic and pepper and put it on the cow foot. Yeah man, island style way, you don't know. Talent in the kitchen man, from where boy, and I just know. Alright, so I'm going to use 1 green pepper and 1 red pepper. Scotch bonnet pepper, homegrown, all natural and organic from island style farm. This I'm going to put low spice in the pot. Alright, so I'm going to leave a little bit of this garlic and this pepper to put in the oil when I'm burning the curry. Alright, so I'm going with my hand right now and I'm going to rub up this. Yes people, you have to just rub in the flavor and all the niceness and the goodness them in the meat, whatever you cook. Some people don't put their hand in it, but I grew up seeing my grandmother put in her hand and season in her pot and taste it. So you know what the pot missing. So nobody come and talk about so you guys not tasting the food. You have to taste it so you can know what's missing from the pot. I can actually smell it and know because years of experience teach me that. But I'll advise you to taste your pot so you know what's missing. Alright, so right now I'm going to taste this until I know what's missing. Alright, people, tell you what, not that all I'm missing. Because of the island style boss, I deal with it. I will deal with it. Yes, people, so right now, we're going to wash off the vegetable them. We're going to season up the pot and cut them up. I'm already washed up, I'll give them a second. Alright, people, so see it here. Prepare the seasoning them. Red, green and gold. Rasta colors you don't know. It's island style Rasta by heart, you know. Even though we cook some cow foot. People, right now, only eat on the stomach can take care of yourself. If you just balance out your life and eat a little bit of everything, if you can deal with it. If you don't want to eat something, you just don't eat it. Yes, people, so right now, I'm going to put on the pressure cooker to go on hot. Because about an hour now, I left the cow foot for marinate. And so I'm going to put on the pressure cooker. Because cow foot have a pressure. Cow foot tough. You can cook it down in a pot if you want. However, it takes a very long time to cook. So I'm going to put it in the pressure cooker and let it cook until it gets soft. Yeah man, me there go and have a drink, you know, give thanks to life. Yeah man, because life short and we only live once. So we just have to enjoy with life, people. Remember, all of we have now, the money, the jewelry, the car and everything, at some point we have to go with it. So we have to just enjoy now. Tomorrow is promised and to no one. So live and enjoy your life, people. Remember, Island Style Kitchen. Yeah man, one love. Just watch what I go on. Yes, people who don't know, say right now I put like a carrot in my cow foot. Give it like a body and give it flavor, you know. The carrot had a little sweet taste to it. Yeah man, but carrot nice in a cow foot. And I'm going to put a few spinners in it later. And for those of you who don't know what spinners is, spinners are some small dumpling. If you go watch the goat soup video or the manish water video, you'll see how we make the spinners them. So go and go watch a video there. Yeah man, I'm going with some olive oil. Now I use too much. I'm not using too much olive oil because the cow foot tend to have a lot of grease coming out of it. So I'm going to put some garlic in the oil. Put some garlic in there. And I'm also going to put a scotch bonnet pepper in there. I'm going to use all the green ones for now. So what that means is that I'm burning the garlic and the pepper. So this will infuse into the meat. Alright, so next I'm going in with my turmeric. If you don't have turmeric, you can use curry. And you don't have to use this. I'm just using this because I want this flavor and I want this look, this color on my meat. So I'm just going to stir this around a little bit. Make sure everything is distributed evenly. Yeah man, so you see it there? My garlic burn and ready. The turmeric burn and then boy, the pepper smell rude, people. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to throw the cow foot into the pot. So the cow foot in the pot now, peeps. Watch what I go on, Island Style Kitchen. So what I'm going to do is give this a little stir to balance out all of the turmeric with the cow foot. You guys can see here, everything have a nice yellow color. So I'm just going to allow this to saute a little bit for all the flavors to infuse into the cow foot. And then I'm going to add some water to it later and cover it and allow it to pressure. I'm going to pressure this for about half an hour because the cow foot is very tough. So I pressure it for half an hour until it gets soft. Over here, I have some water boiling. So this is I'm going to add to the cow foot to pressure it. I do not use cold water. Alright, don't use cold water when you're adding water to anything you're cooking because the cold water will drop the temperature of the meat and it will make the meat even get tougher than it was originally. So just make sure you had some boiling water or hot water to whatever you're cooking. Don't use cold water. Yes people, so the saute process finished. So So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to add some hot water to it. So over here, like I showed you before, I have some boiling water. I turn the fire down. So I'm going to add some boiling water to the cow foot now. Yeah? Alright, so what you have to do is cover the cow foot with water. Because the pressure cooker allows you to use a certain amount. There's some markers in the pressure cooker that indicate how much water you can put in your pressure cooker. Pressure it as long as you want to, or until the meat is tender and cooked to your liking. So I'm going to cover the pressure cooker now and allow this to pressure. Then I'm going to prepare the coconut milk for the reggae rice. And if you don't have a pressure cooker, you can still do this. However, all you got to do is throw the water in there and cover the pot and let it boil. It's going to take you a lot more time than it's taking me because I'm using a pressure cooker here. So this will be ready in about 40 minutes going. So we're just going to do this quick and fast. So you just watch and so I go on. Alright, so we're done. Take the coconut out of the shell. So we're just going to wash these off and cut them up, and then we'll put them in the blender with some warm water. Remember, don't use cold water blend your coconut, use warm water or hot water. Alright people, so all it's simple to make coconut milk. All you're going to do is cut out the coconut and throw it in the blender and blend it up with some hot water like I told you before. Alright, now I'm going to deal with the coconut milk. So I'm throwing some hot water in the blender. And then we have a coconut right just so we cut up. So we're going to put the coconut in the blender now. And then we're going to blend this to get the cream from the coconut. You can use this cream to do whatever you would do with regular milk. For those of you who know me from my channel, I am big on coconut milk. I do not drink dairy. All I use is coconut milk, almond milk, or cashew milk, or any nut milk. Alright people, so right now we have a strain of coconut milk. I am not using a strainer today, I am using a nut milk bag. So you can go and look for these nut milk bag in your supermarket. Yes people, so this is a nut milk bag. If you're in my area, I bought this bag at IJ. I think you get a pack of 3 of them. I don't remember how much for it. Bought a long time ago. But it make your straining and juicing very easy. And you get to squeeze everything out of it. Come on, I use this for my juices and all of those things. Simple and easy, quick and fast. Alright, so the coconut milk is ready. We're going to use this to cook our reggae rice. Over half an hour now, so I turned off the pressure cooker. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to transfer the cow foot to the pot that I'm going to season the cow foot in and cook it down so they're nice and soft. I can see it falling off the bone. If you look, see the cow foot falling off the bone, so it's nice and soft, nice and yellow color from the turmeric, and the flavor is just smelling so yumptious and delicious. Alright people, so I'm going to season up the pot right now. So I'm going to drop a piece of thyme in the pot. So this is the cow foot pot I season up. I drop in a piece of thyme. I cut up some onion in it. I have some sweet pepper to put into it, but I'm not putting in the sweet pepper until later on at the cooking because I want the sweet pepper them to look nice and presentable. I don't want them mash out and get too soft. So the sweet pepper goes in at the end when I'm putting in the beans and the carrots. I'm also going to make some spinners and put into this. So I'm cutting up a small onion in it. And I'm going to put a little bit more scotch bonnet pepper in it to give it some flavor. I don't want it to overpower it just with flavor. Alright, and then now I put in a piece of scallion here. Just put in a piece of scallion here. Yeah man, I eat that enough people. So what I'm going to do, also I'm going to drop a few pimento beans in here. Yeah man, island style kitchen, you know. So it look nice people, nice and yellow, curry rich. You know about curry, turmeric rich in it. We're not using curry. Anything at all you use curry for, you can use turmeric to do it. Because curry is made from turmeric. It's just that they ground the turmeric and put some added spices to it to get it to the point of curry. But turmeric is curry, same difference. But the turmeric more healthy. So you can try out the turmeric, people, organic turmeric. Yeah man, so you season up the pot and make it simmer down a little bit more. Then I'm going to put in the beans and the sweet pepper and the carrot. I'm going to put some spinners in here to people. Yeah man, look out for the spinners then. Alright people, so I'm going to prepare the pot now to start the reggae rice. So what I'm going to do, I am going to throw some of the coconut milk in this pot and let it come to a boil. And then I'm going to season it. And for those of you who follow Island Style Kitchen, you know I do not cook without my coconut milk, and it's all organic, fresh coconut milk. I'm going to season the rice pot. So I'm going in with some scallion. This is fresh organic scallion. We have some thyme, some green thyme. We throw in some pimento in it. Garlic. And a scotch bonnet pepper. So we're going to let that come to a boil, and then we're going to add the vegetables to it, the beans. Yeah man, if you look around that corner there, you can see the curry nice. Alright, excuse the sound of the pressure cooker in the background because I pressure some peas for tomorrow. So please bear with me. Alright people, I hope you're enjoying this video now. Yeah man, remember, a cow foot and reggae rice. And you reach to the point right now where if you're new to my channel, you can just hit the like button and just take a pause and give me a subscribe. Yeah man, and when the video done, you leave a comment. And at this time also, I want to big up 3 young artists who give me support when we reach out to them. Yeah man, the artist named Utterance out of St. Mary, Jamaica. And the artist named Yaxter Cavani from outer Jamaica. Also, Blinger O from outer Jamaica, but based in Turks and Caicos here. Big up yourself, Blinger O. They never hesitate to give me an intro or give me a background music. So big up on yourself. I am going to put the 3 links in my description below for Yaxter Cavani, Utterance, and Blinger O. Big up on yourself every time, youth. Yeah man, stay tuned. Alright people, so the cow foot almost ready. See there? Gravy nice and thick. Alright, what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to add the sweet pepper and the carrot in it. So I have the red sweet pepper, the green sweet pepper, and the yellow sweet pepper I'm adding in it. This is the bean. And then this is ready right as it is now. See how pretty that look, people? All of the nice colors them night. I don't want the sweet pepper to cook too much. I want them to be crunchy when I'm serving it. So I'm just gonna make this cook for another 5 minutes, simmer for 5 minutes, and then we turn it off. Alright, so I'm going to start the reggae rice process. So I'm using the bean and carrot here. Milk and all the seasoning and boil up already with the thyme, the pepper, scallion and the garlic and a pinch of salt. So I'm going to throw the carrot and the beans into the pot. And then I'm going to wash the rice and add it to the pot. Alright people, so the pot ready for the rice, you know. Yeah man, see it here? I'll put in the rice and now. Remember, 1 inch. As long as when you put your finger in like this, you touch the rice, you're good to go. So see it there, simple like that. So we're going to make this dry down and then we turn on the fire and make the rice steam out. See it there? Reggae rice. Blue and colors. Over here, so, cow foot. Cook down. Simmer down with bean. People see it here? Rice nice and shelly. Look. See it? Fall out of it. Nah, hitch up. That's how rice will look. Nice and shelly. Yeah man, that's how rice will look. Nice and shelly. Alright, so I'm going to plate up this now. And show you what I go on in an island style kitchen. Rally TV there. I go and match up my cow foot and bean. Rally TV, what I go on?
Up, food up and running.
Yeah?
Spice, everything.
Yeah? Everything
Spice
good?
is right, everything is nice. Big up Island Style Kitchen. Loud.
Alright, now send on people. You can check Raleigh TV link in the description below. Go over there, go check out Raleigh TV. Yeah, man. Raleigh TV have some very interesting things over there. Lots of fun and entertainment. So feel free. Click the link in the description below for Raleigh TV Rooftop Entertainment. Do remember to check out the 3 artists them I'm telling about. Yaksta Cavani, Utterance and Blinger O. They do the intro, the outro and the background music for this video. So yeah man, give the youth them a support. The links will be in the description down below for the tree. Right now, take a taste of this and so I go on. Island Style Kitchen. Yeah man, inside of the house get dark, so I wanted to use the natural light, so I came outside to close the video out. And I want to say thank you guys very much for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, please give this video a like, share this video, leave a comment if you have any ideas or any recipes you want to share or anything you'd like me to cook. Leave it in the comments down below. Yeah man, and do remember, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. Your support is much appreciated. Thank you very much for watching Island Style Kitchen. Much love and respect.
Come join our experience each and every episode with Island Style Kitchen. Cooking in the bush. Yaksta the bush lad said that. Waklak skum, skalai boom, bututum, bush. Hey yo! But it's scrolling and clicking. Why you feel that chef over there mouth is dripping? Because they had just subscribed to Island Style Kitchen. Cooking in the bush. Yaksta the bush lad and that's that. Waklak skum, skalai boom. Take it away with the gravy. Pow!